Hey guys, welcome to Math Tech. Today we'll be learning how to view friends in Terabox app, and now let's dive right in. Now to view friends in your Terabox app, first open up a Terabox app on your phone. And after opening a Terabox app, guys, on this interface you'll land over here, which is the home interface of Terabox. Now in order to proceed from over here, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there is a messaging icon and a double arrow icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the message notification icon at the top right corner of the screen, and you land over here, which is the messaging interface of your Terabox app. And at the top left corner of the screen, guys, you can see currently we are on the message tab, and just beside the message tab there is the friends tab. Tap on the friends tab over here, and all of your friends whom you have added on your Terabox app will be available over here. Since I have no new friends or no friends on Terabox, there is nobody available over here, but in your case you will be able to view all of your friends in your Terabox app over here. And with that being said, guys, this is how to view friends in a Terabox app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.